Hey friends, come with us as we check out Hot Wheels Monster Truck Live Glow Party. The boys were super excited. Elijah has recently gotten into Hot Wheels lately, and the obsession just spread to Elliot and Emmett as well. So my sister came into town, and we decided to take the kids to check this out. It was last minute. The tickets were pretty affordable. It was $10 for kids, $22 for adults. And I hate that we didn't see this was coming into town sooner, because the tickets were, like I said, it was the same price for all of the seats. It didn't matter if you were sitting up high or up low, but it's fine. I feel like our seats, even though they were up kind of high, that we had a best vantage point because you could see everything. And I'm also glad we sat up a little higher because it got very loud. Thankfully, we had earmuffs for the boys. I did have to buy a pair there because we had left Elliot's in the car. They were only like $15 though, so it was pretty affordable for those as well. But man, this is your sound warning because it gets loud. So the doors opened at 1:30, but the show didn't start until 2:30. So Gabe and I got there pretty early with the boys, so we were able to walk around for a little bit and then also have plenty of time to take our seats. My sister had went to one of these kind of shows before, so she said it got really busy, so you wanted to be there early. And then we also got to take a part in the pre-show activity, so we got to see some of the drivers, have a little dance party. Emmett loves to dance. Like, I did not have to tell him twice to get up and start shaking it. He had a blast with the dance party segments.
Go, let me see you dance, Emmett. Dance, Benny. Go, Emmett. Go, Emmett. Go, Emmett. Go, Emmett. Go, Emmett. Go, Emmett. Go, go, go. Go, Benny. Go, Benny. Go, Benny. Go, Benny. Go, Emmett. Go, Emmett. Go, Emmett. Go, Emmett. Go, 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 go.
So one thing I wish I had brought was glow sticks. I didn't realize this was a glow party. Like I said, it was last minute, but if they do this again, I'll definitely stop in Dollar Tree and grab some glow bracelets and glow sticks for the boys.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, so it got super loud in there. It was just a noise I wasn't even expecting, and I don't know why, because it's obviously monster trucks, but it was startling to say the least. Next time we go to something like this, I'll definitely even bring headphones for myself. This is the point we realized Elliot had left his in the car. I thought he was holding them, but he must have dropped them. So Mom failed there, but luckily, like I said, they do sell them inside the arena as well, and they were only $15, so we were able to go get him some shortly after that, and I definitely suggest getting those because even though we were up high, it was still so loud. So this was my favorite part. I sped the video up just because he took a long time to come out of his box and wake up, but I kept calling him Truckosaurus, but his name is actually Megasaurus. I guess I kept calling it Truckosaurus because that's what it was called on The Simpsons when I was younger, but that was exciting to see. I also really love the motocross jumpers. They were doing all kind of tricks that I would have never expected on bikes, but it was amazing. So Tiger Shark was my absolute favorite. I thought he did amazing, and he should have won this round, but he didn't, unfortunately. But you'll see who wins. So as you can see, Bone Shaker's roof literally ended up popping off. I was not expecting that. But the driver was fine. Everything was fine. They said the car ended up being fine and everything. So they just continued on with the show.
That's our teacher friend.
That was a close call. I'm thinking on it. It seems like Bone Shaker is your freestyle winner.
Eliza.
Oh my goodness, what a run. We're going to talk to Clint Watson over here. Clint Watson, it looks in. And it comes down to 1 point of 4. Your winner of the Champions Cup in San Antonio goes to Clint Watson, Bone Shaker. This was a close one, Clint Watson, but you pulled it off. A 3-peat on the weekend. Congratulations. Let's give these San Antonio fans a proper Hot Wheels goodbye.
Yeah, give me a proper Hot Wheels goodbye. Just to see the best superstars out here on the track and come out here every day, not because we have to. We're here because it's our dream job. We get to do them every day because of you. So thank you.
Your Champions Cup winner, Clint Watson, everyone.
This was such a fun excursion. The boys absolutely loved it. And I'm glad I got to spend time with my sisters and my nephews, nieces, and my brother-in-laws before they had to head back out of town, back home. But this was definitely something I would do again.